Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to DIY my daughter's wall with washi tape. I got this washi tape from Michael's. Hold on, let it zoom. It's like sprinkles. Okay, so I moved all the toys to one side and I cleared out the wall that I need. This Okay, so I got some unicorn wallpaper from Amazon. I'm about to open it up so you guys can see it. I just want to cry right now. I was not expecting the unicorn to be so small, but we're going to work with it because I am not going to wait another day. Okay, so I'm just going to place these. So her bed is supposed to go somewhere in the middle over here. So I'm going to place it where I think besides the bed would be. So one on the left side of her bed and the other on the right side. Alright, so I am done with the room so far for today. I added the mattress. I need to find a unicorn bedspread, bed sheets and comforter. It is currently 4:38 and I have to go pick up my baby. So see you guys maybe tomorrow when I find more things to put in her room. This is what this side of the room looks like, and this is what all her toys. If anybody knows anybody in Florida that needs toys, I'm your girl. I got toys. We have toys for whoever needs them. I think I want to wrap this car pink, but I'm going to end up putting this car right here because she has no use for it right now at this moment. So I'm just going to put that car on this side, and then a bookshelf here, and then this little bean bag right over here. And then I'm going to put the learning boards against this wall. I'm going to take out the strip as well. And I wanted to buy her a dressing room, like for her dresses, for her play dresses. I want to buy her like a little shelf thingy, so we can hang it right here. And I think that would look so cute with this picture right here, and then her dressing room, her little play dressing room, her learning board. We're gonna get rid of this table. This chair might stay over here, and then of course our picture is gonna stay. So I will show you guys the finished look soon. All right, so this is the room tour. Of course, we have mommy and daddy at our gender reveal. And then we have her piano. Sky loves to play the piano, so we had to include this in her room. And she loves to sing, but her microphone is on the floor. So we have her car in the corner. We have this little sticker. It says, "May all your dreams come true," with the unicorn. We have a couple of stars and hearts. Then we have this, and it glows in the dark. So these little stars on the, what is this thing called? I forgot. But it glows in the dark. So this is her bed, her twin bed that we got from Wayfair. If you guys want to see it, I'll leave the link down below where I assemble the bed. I got this from, where did we get this from? We got this from Walmart, I believe. No, we got this from Target. So we got her unicorn from Target. And then we have her princess doll from Target as well. I love that. So on this wall, I have the stickers that she pulls them off. So the stickers that I showed you guys from Amazon. We went to the fair and Daddy got this for her. And when we went to Glattenburg, Smoky Mountain, got this bookshelf from Amazon. I'll also leave that link in the description box. A couple books, a couple Sam I Ams. I mean, not Sam I Ams, Dr. Seuss. And then I got this bin from Walmart, and it has toys in it. The stuff that she really likes to play with. Little microphone. Hey. You know, stuffed animals. Balls, so she knows her color. Okay, shh. Push that in there. All right, and then we have a spot where she can actually sit. If she moves these stuffed animals, she can sit here and read her books. Sky loves to read books. Even though she can't read yet, she pretends to read. So that's good. We have her little chair here, another chair, just in case one of her cousins come over, you know, and wants to sit with her. They can sit right there. I got these curtains from Ross. This is from Dollar Tree. Yep, Dollar Tree. And I painted this at my friend's house a while back, and I put her name right there, Sky. Some of her old toys, unicorn, it walks. This I'm gonna get rid of. This is a shopping cart, and as well as that, I got her a couple learning boards. I have 8, but I only put 4 up here because she does not, you know, she's only 1, so she does not know any of these yet. So we're gonna start slowly. So I got these from Amazon. I love them. She pulls them off the wall, so I just added the tape, the washi tape to the poster, and I guess that syncs in with this over here. But I got the numbers, the alphabet, the color, and farm animals. She knows most of these animals and, you know, numbers. But that's about it. She's learning. So tell me how you guys like the room. How did I do? She's only 1, turning 2 soon. How did I do, guys? Do you guys like it? Okay, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe in the description box down below if you're feeling your girl's decoration for my baby girl. This was extreme room makeover, and I'm so proud of myself.